Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming the exact lock type and locating the numerical combination. Once done, clear distractions and place the lock on a steady surface so you can feel clicks. If it is a dial lock, note the starting position. For keypads, ensure batteries are fresh and no smeared digits remain. Make sure to have pen and paper to record each step. This prevents mistakes and lets you reverse actions if you need to retrace your steps. Now follow the precise input sequence. For dial combination locks, spin 2 full rotations clockwise, then stop on the first number, reverse to the second, then clockwise to the third. Feel each click and pause. For keypads, press each digit deliberately and watch for confirmation tones or LEDs. With push-button mechanical locks, depress buttons fully in order and release only after the final press. Once you hear or feel the release, pull shackle or open latch gently to avoid jamming the mechanism. Finish by testing the lock several times to ensure the combination consistently works. If it does not open, do not force it. Instead, repeat the exact sequence slowly, checking your start position and direction changes. Make sure batteries are fresh for electronic locks and that the dial or shackle is aligned correctly. If still stuck, methodically try 1-digit offsets or adjacent numbers. This often reveals an off-by-1 error. If nothing helps, consult the manufacturer or a locksmith rather than risking damage.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.